What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. Let's get into the tech news. First story of the day is about the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6. Some more details are leaking out about this tablet. First off is the battery. Previously, the battery size was supposed to be 6840, at least that was what the rumored battery size was, versus 7340 on the Galaxy Tab S4. Well, it looks like it's going to be 7040, so it's about 300 milliamps less than the Galaxy Tab S4, but slightly larger than we thought before as well. The other part of this is that the storage sizes and RAM sizes are going to be 6 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage, and the other version will be 8 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. So it's nice that they're going to be able to see that 8 gigabytes of RAM in this tablet. The 4, even the Tab S4, which only has 4 here in America, doesn't really need it, but it's still nice to have that option to have the larger storage and larger RAM amounts in that tablet. Next up, if you're into benchmarks, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G Exynos 9825 version was benchmarked. You can see it has 12 gigabytes of RAM, which is what it's supposed to, and it has a single core score of 4532 and a multi-core score of 10431. Like I've said in the past, don't put too much weight into benchmark scores. The phone's gonna be very, very fast. The next story is the rumor that the Galaxy Note 10, Note 10 Plus will go on for pre-order on August 7th, and that's what Sam Mobile is hearing from one of their contacts. It's a rumor still, but it looks like it's probably going to come true anyway, because before, when I was showing off the trade-in values and the official reservations for this, a lot of the dates were pointing to August 7th, and August 23rd is the release date. So not a big surprise, but it looks like, and just more fuel to that fire. August 7th pre-order, which is the same exact day they're going to launch the phone in terms of unveiling it to the public. If you're excited about the Samsung Galaxy Fold, it was spotted in the streets of India. Here you go. It's all folded up in the guy's hand, and not much to see. Looks like the screen is on. Almost looks like he's trying to use it, or maybe he's accidentally pressing on that screen, but there it is. Next up, this is what the Galaxy Note 10 will look like in the pink reddish variant of the phone that is coming out. I personally wouldn't choose this color, but I think some people might. And you can see from it, it's not a straight up, I wouldn't say pink or a straight up red either. It's definitely on the pinker side more than anything, but if it's a color you're interested in, it should be coming out for the new Note 10, and I believe Note 10 Plus as well. And the last story of the day is about the Samsung Galaxy S11. The phone won't be out until probably March of 2020, but there's already some details leaking out from Ice Universe. First off, his tweet says, "Someone asked me about the Galaxy S11. Here are 4 things that can be confirmed. Codename Picasso. Number 2, the camera has a substantial upgrade. Number 3, on Android Q1 UI 2.x. And lastly, hole in display is smaller than the Note 10. Other than that, it is unknown." Let's start off at number 4. He's saying the hole in the display is smaller. I know it's really bright white screen, but you can see the cutouts for the camera. That's going to be somehow smaller. That's great, I guess. Takes up less screen real estate. Number 2, which is the improved cameras. That's not really a huge surprise either. Their cameras in videos take great, videos and photos. So the only thing, like I've said all the time in the past, is I get more blurry face photos with Galaxy phones than I do with the Pixel phone. I'd like them to really fix that. And then number 3, it being on Android Q with the updated UI I think it's like 2.1x that'll be on at that point. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. My question out to you guys is, what do you think will be the big feature on the Galaxy S11? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. See you down the road. Peace!